Hi Matthias, can I ask you three questions about what you do in your free time?
Hi Renato, sure, no problem.
What do you like to do most with your free time?
I love playing guitar and I really enjoy going for runs. It helps me clear head after class.
That's great. And do you like watching TV series?
Yes, quite a lot. I like watching mystery series with my brother, but I really don't like streaming video games and I hate wasting the car because I find it incredibly boring.
And where or where do you usually do your favorite activities?
I like to go for a run on Saturday morning in the Central Park, and I usually practice guitar in my room at night. Now it's my turn, Renato. Can I ask you a question?
Sure, go ahead.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I love it. Baking and really enjoy practice yoga. They make me feel very happy and relaxed.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I really like watching nature documentaries, but I don't like swimming and I hate ironic.
And when are you or where do you pursue your hobbies?
I like to bake on Sunday afternoons in my kitchen. I do yoga in the mornings at studio near here.
That's great. It's funny how we have such different tastes.
Yes, of course, and it's great to know what we do outside of our routine. Thanks for the chat.
Okay, bye.